Imagine being the best version of yourself, excelling in your profession, thriving in your relationships, and experiencing life at a whole new level. What if I told you that not only is this possible for you, but you can also help others achieve the same and earn a steady secondary residual income while doing it? Here's the opportunity. First, we coach you to excel. We mentor you to reach new heights in your career, your relationships, and your personal success. Once you're thriving, you can pass that success on to others by becoming a mentor and coach. The best part? You can generate an income by simply helping others unlock their potential. Whether you're looking to supplement your current income or create a full-time, long-term residual income, this is the path. You'll not only help transform lives, but also build wealth in the most rewarding way possible. We're looking for passionate individuals who want to make an impact and earn while doing it. You can thrive in your own life and help others thrive too. That's how we create a better world, one person at a time. Join us today. Get mentored, become a mentor, and build the life you've always wanted.